Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can enable and use keyboard shortcuts. That is one of the feature of your iPhone. So most of the iPhone users don't know about this feature, so that's why I thought why don't I make a video on this topic as well. First of all you have to do is to set up the keywords and then you can use them. So the main purpose of this is that it will save you time, because instead of writing the whole phrase you can just write the keyword and the whole phrase will be written by itself. So for example, let me show you one of the keywords that I have set it up. So if I open WhatsApp or messages, whatever you have, and open one of the chat of my friend, and if I want to type on my way, either I can type on my way or I can use the shortcut that I have made, OMW, and then pressing on space, and you can see that it will automatically use that shortcut and now the whole phrase is written. So in this way you can see that it has saved your time. Again, so how you can set it up, that's quite simple. All you have to do is to open settings. You are going to scroll down on general, then here you will have keyboard. You're going to press on it, and on the second option, text replacement, you're going to press on it. So currently you can see one of the text shortcut that I have set it up, that is on my way, or the shortcut is OMW that I just showed you in the example. If I want to set up multiple shortcuts, I can do that. So I'm going to press on the plus of the upper right side, and first of all I'm going to write the phrase, like let me type subscribe to my channel. So you can type anything you want, like your phone number, bank account, or if you're a Fiverr freelancer you can even type your template that you offer to your customers, etc. So this will definitely save you time. Anyways, the phrase is subscribe to my channel, and the shortcut would be sub. You can type any shortcut, there is no restriction on it, and then I'm going to press on save. So you can see on the list that subscribe to my channel has been shown. So now here I open WhatsApp again, and if I type sub and if I press on space, you can see that the whole phrase is written, and it has saved me a lot of time instead of typing subscribe to my channel. So now if I let me just send it, you can see that. So in this way you can use the keyboard shortcuts that are available on your iPhone. So this is quite a cool feature of the iPhone. Anyways guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing so. I will be making future videos like this as well, and I have made some videos on different features of iPhone in the past as well. I will try to put their links in the video's description as well. Other than that, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one, and stay safe.